Have you ever cooked a sunny-side-up egg on a nonstick pan and marveled at how it just slides right off? It feels almost magical, doesn't it? No scraping, no scrubbing, just a quick rinse, and you're good to go. But here's a question. How do non-stick coatings actually work, and what makes them so effective? Today, we're diving into the science, the manufacturing process, and a bit of history behind this modern kitchen marvel, the secret behind non-stick coatings. Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. Let's start with the basics. The star of the non-stick show is a substance called polytetrafluoroethylene, or PTFE. You might know it by its brand name, Teflon. PTFE was discovered by accident in 1938 by a chemist named Roy Plunkett while he was working for DuPont. He was trying to develop a new refrigerant when, much to his surprise, he stumbled upon a slippery, waxy material that turned out to have some incredible properties. It was resistant to heat, chemicals, and even friction. Fast forward to the 1950s, and PTFE was being applied to cookware, changing the way we cook forever. So, how does PTFE work? At its core, PTFE is a type of polymer made up of carbon and fluorine atoms. This bond is incredibly strong, making the material resistant to almost everything it comes into contact with. The surface of PTFE is so slick that most substances simply can't stick to it. Think of it like trying to get water to stick to an oil-slicked surface. It just beads up and rolls away. Now, applying PTFE to cookware isn't as simple as painting it on like a coat of nail polish. The process is far more complex and fascinating. First, the metal pan, usually aluminum or stainless steel, has to be prepped. This involves roughening up the surface, often through sandblasting or chemical etching. Why? Because PTFE needs a textured surface to cling to. Without this step, the coating would peel off after a few uses. Once the pan is prepped, a primer layer is applied. This primer acts like a glue, helping the PTFE stick to the metal. The PTFE itself is applied next, usually in multiple layers. Each layer is sprayed or rolled onto the pan and then baked at high temperatures. This baking process is crucial because it's what bonds the PTFE to the primer and ultimately to the pan itself. The result? A smooth, durable surface that can handle everything from frying eggs to searing steaks. But here's an interesting twist. Not all non-stick coatings are created equal. While PTFE is the most common, some pans use ceramic coatings instead. Ceramic coatings are made from a silica-based gel, and they're applied in much the same way as PTFE. However, they don't contain any synthetic polymers, which appeals to people looking for more eco-friendly or toxin-free cookware. That said, ceramic coatings tend to wear out faster than PTFE, so there's a trade-off. Speaking of wear and tear, one of the biggest questions people have about non-stick pans is, how long do they last? Well, that depends on how you use and care for them. High heat, metal utensils, and abrasive sponges are the enemies of non-stick coatings. Over time, these can cause the surface to scratch or degrade. Most experts recommend using wooden or silicone utensils and washing your pan with a soft sponge and mild soap. And while it might be tempting to crank up the heat to speed up your cooking, non-stick pans actually perform best at medium or low heat. The manufacturing of non-stick cookware isn't just about science and safety, though. There's also a lot of engineering and craftsmanship involved. For example, some high-end non-stick pans have reinforced coatings that incorporate materials like titanium or diamond dust. These added materials make the coating harder and more durable, giving you a pan that's less likely to scratch or wear out over time. Of course, these premium features come at a premium price, but for many people, the investment is worth it. Let's not forget about the environmental aspect. While non-stick pans are incredibly convenient, they do pose some challenges when it comes to recycling. The combination of metal and non-stick coating makes them difficult to process. Some companies are working on solutions, like developing coatings that can be easily removed or pans made from recyclable materials. In the meantime, one of the best things you can do is take care of your pans to extend their lifespan. Less waste, more pancakes. It's a win-win. So, what does the future hold for non-stick coatings? Scientists and manufacturers are constantly exploring new materials and technologies. For instance, there's ongoing research into graphene-based coatings, which could offer even better durability and heat resistance. There's also a push towards more sustainable options, like coatings derived from plant-based materials. Who knows? The non-stick pan of the future might be even more impressive than what we have today. In the end, non-stick coatings are a perfect example of how science and innovation can make our everyday lives a little easier. They've turned cooking, an age-old chore, into something more enjoyable and less stressful. So the next time you flip a pancake or fry an egg without it sticking to the pan, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey that little coating has been on. From the lab to your kitchen, it's a story of discovery, ingenuity, and a whole lot of chemistry. And speaking of ingenuity, have you ever wondered what other surfaces could benefit from non-stick technology? Scientists are already experimenting with applications in medicine, like non-stick catheters and surgical tools that reduce friction and infection risks. There's even research into creating non-stick coatings for industrial machinery and aerospace equipment, proving that this kitchen innovation has a world of untapped potential. Who knows? The future of non-stick might just stick around in ways we've never imagined. And there you have it, the fascinating world of non-stick coatings. Whether you're a seasoned chef or someone who just likes the convenience of quick cleanups, these pans have undoubtedly earned their place in kitchens around the world. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.